Hi folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here. We've got another engine in the shop today. This just came in the mail. I just unboxed it. This is a little bit rattly. Everything on this thing is loose. So we've got a lot of opportunity to tighten things up, that's for sure. This was loose enough that that wouldn't even turn there for a little bit. And the flywheel's bent quite a bit. Drag pulley's bent. Don't know if we can do anything. I'm kind of afraid to do anything about that, but we'll see. But we've got to tighten all this up. Oh, that's even loose. But yeah, it's, as they say, a rattle fit. So we'll see what we can. Everything moves independent of everything else. So definitely needs some snugging up. So we'll check it out, see what we can see, and go from there. All right, bye now.